Welcome back, everyone, to Tears Rain. This game is actually similar to Ronin the Last Samurai, but a turn-based RPG. Let's get into it. Alright, it's like they refer to it as a trading card game. And let me tell you, every decision you make, you have to make the right decisions. There's zero room for any mistakes. Alright, so we're gonna taunt. My other two females, they are very weak. We're gonna give might to the wizard, and we'll give might to him again. End our turn. Alright. We were gonna do magic missile. It attacks 3 random enemies. End our turn. It gets better as one progresses. Like, you get skills and shops and chests, and it's pretty neat. Let's do triple slash. We'll heal. And how I'm doing this is you actually grab the card and you see this arrow, you drag it to whatever. Let's use that magic missile again. There we go. So you'll see what I'm talking about. The lower the health, the higher the attack. Okay, so I got a wand, level up. You get to pick, see, the strength increases HP, offense increases attack, and charge. I think it has to do something with, like, when you in your turn, like how much mana you collect. But for her, we're gonna do attack. And now I get to pick a card that only one fires an ice sphere attack. Cancels time. We're gonna do heals all allies to 600% of attack. Wait, what? Heals all allies to 600% of attack? That's the first time I've seen this. I don't. Does that make sense? Oh, I see. Based on their attack, it's 600% of that. That one enemy and gives ice effects for 10 seconds. We're gonna. That heal one looks pretty good, but I mean, the only person that's really getting taken damage for the most part is that guy. Okay, the lower the health, the higher the attack. We're gonna give this to him, and that's really all we can do right now. So we hit next, go to the next one. At the top you can see, like, very top, you see swords, house, chests. That's the progression thing. Alright, as we usually do, taunt, end our turn. When you end your turn with extra mana, it goes to the next turn. Might. End. Somebody ended my freaking taunt. That's not good. So you slide down on the cards to get rid of them and to get more the next turn, like different ones, because I need taunt right away. We're gonna heal. twice. And alright, let's check out our new spell. We have Ice Ball. It only does it on one. Let's see. Who's the strongest? We'll use it on him. So it actually freezes him. That's neat. Come on, give me time. Thank you. We'll do double slash on, or triple slash on this guy. Let's hope that would have did the job. We're gonna energy bullet this dude, take him out, heal, and freeze that dude too. Oh, it didn't. Oh, it did freeze him. Good. Dang, that's actually a very. Okay, so that dude's ready to attack soon. Triple slash this guy. That spell's gonna come in handy. And each time you play, you start from the beginning, and there's different cards every time that you can choose from. That's what actually makes it very fun. I wonder if I can take this guy out with it. Nope. So close. Let's slash him. Wondering if I should. Yeah, I'm gonna end my turn so I can save that one mana for more cards. Magic missile. Alright. Let's see what we got. A flame wand. Finally. It's like the first time I ever got a sword. We're gonna give him HP. He needs all the HP he can get. I'm gonna give her offense. Should I give her offense? HP. I wish I knew what this charge thing does. I'm gonna give her strength because. Oh, what? Is that a fire sword? Fires cold at one enemy and gives ice effect for 3 seconds. Reduces charge speed of one enemy. Fires ice effect. Man, that might be good. I'm gonna do the electric one. Okay, so before you hit next, always click your character because you